fan combo up on the hill there. I'm going to check out that channel later, let you know. Behind them, there's a Divergence, the Linn County Cutoff, which you can see behind me, heading to the south of Cedar Rapids. The original alignment going through the sort of middle 6 blocks or so of downtown. That 6 blocks or so was shared trackage with 3 roads converging and then diverging and sharing a union station in the middle. One of those roads is defunct. I think there's the remains of their bridge a little bit further that way. The other, I'm not sure of its ownership, frankly don't care. It's easy to see that the Cutoff gets the bulk of the traffic because it's double tracked and shiny rails. The original alignment is a bit rusty and a bit weed grown, but I'll be following the original alignment. Cedar Rapids. Hey, if you want to watch more of whatever state you've just been watching, then click on the link or something, because there's plenty more episodes, plenty more highlights, and a literal shit ton of dashcam footage of my adventure from the Loop in Chicago to the milepost 0 on the Central Pacific by the riverbank in Sacramento. Alright.